Hi folks, today I wanna show you how to purchase some paid applications from iOS or iPhone App Store. In App Store available several free version applications and several paid version applications. If we need purchase some useful paid version applications, then we need to purchase it. If we need purchase it, first we need to enter our payment method to iTunes or Apple account, like our credit card and debit card details we need to provide to Apple Store or iTunes or Apple account. So first we need to go to iPhone settings. Click on iPhone settings. After that, we need to click on our profile button. So please click your profile button. After, you need to go to payment and shipping option. Click on that. After, you can click on added payment method. After that, click this small camera button and show your debit or credit card to your phone camera. Then it's automatically captured your debit or credit card details. Or else you can enter manually your debit card or credit card details here. So please enter your debit or credit card 16 digits number here. After, enter debit or credit card expiry month and expiry year. After, you need to enter debit or credit card CVV number. This CVV number mentioned on your backside of card. After, enter first name in billing address and after enter your surname. After, fill your applications like your address, area pin code, state and country. At last, you need to enter your mobile number. After fill this application, you need to click done. See, now your card or payment method added successfully to iPhone account. You can enter multiple payment method option by clicking added payment method button. After, you need to enter your shipping address. After that, you need to fill this application form. You need to enter your name, surname, if available, company name, your address, your area pin code, your state, your country, etc. After completed your shipping address details, you need to click Done. So now your payment method successfully added to iPhone account. So now you can purchase some paid version applications from App Store. So now for testing purpose, purchase some paid applications from App Store. You can click App Store and click on some paid applications and click on Purchase button. When you click that Purchase button, then it's ask your Touch ID or passcode. When you give your Touch ID or passcode here, then paid version application is successfully installed to your device. Then you can access full features of paid version applications, and amount will be debited from payment method as given by you. For your security purpose, please check this payment method is one-time payment or monthly subscription. You need to check it before you purchase that paid version application. And one more thing, when you enter your payment method to iPhone account, sometimes you got some error messages like invalid card. It means your card not activated to international online transaction facility. There are 3 important online transactions in your debit or credit card. One is ATM transaction facility. Second one is online transaction facility. It's in within your country. And another one is international online transaction facility. If you need, purchase some paid version applications from App Store. Your debit or credit card must have international online transaction facility. If your card do not have this facility, you can give a request to your bank branch to activate international transaction facility to your card. After only you can purchase or add payment method to iPhone store or iPhone account. For security reasons, please do not share your card credentials like card number, card expiry month and year, and card CVV number. Thank you.
Hi, subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon. You never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new videos, you will get a notification on your phone.